Interiors is growing rapidly and it's awesome. I love that all of the elements feed into each other, right? So interiors, in the beginning, kitchens and baths brought in jobs for interiors, and now interiors has a reputation and it's bringing in jobs for kitchens and baths and construction all under the same umbrella. That's really exciting. And now we've hired more people and the department is getting bigger and really evolving in growth. Grow or die, right? So growth is a very exciting thing. I hired Ashley when COVID came and everything was like shut down and don't grow. And I was like, let's just make some growth. Let's take a gamble. And it was the smartest thing I ever did. So I think there's a lot of really good coworkers at Karr Bick, but most of them are like best friends too. Like I think Ashley and Janelle are like, yeah, they're besties. And there's a lot of those relationships. And then the guys too, you know, we've got the construction guys in the office with all these women, and it's just a really fun place to be. It's a great environment. Everybody cares about each other. Everybody cares about the success of the other person. And that's an unusual thing, and it's really special. I think everyone needs an interior designer.
That was one thing I was so excited for. I feel like a lot of other designers, I think I might have had to like bring like all the inspiration to the table. Whereas Ashley, I feel like I could say this is the direction I want to go with and really let her run with it because I knew I was going to love it.
And I say that because I'm a really good hiker. Like I hike a lot, my family hikes a lot, but when I go to a new city or a new place or national park, I hire a hiking guide because while I know how to put one foot in front of the other, they know the best and most amazing hikes, right? So, you know, if you see it all the time, you know which path to take. And I think it's the same way with being an interior designer. You might be talented. Taylor is very talented, but Ashley works around all of this stuff every day and she sees it all the time and she has access to it and she really knows how to collect it and put it. It's a time thing too, right? So you might be good at it, but who has the time to spend hours and hours and hours and hours on Facebook Marketplace trying to find that mirror? Like, I don't want to do that. I mean, I would if someone was paying me to, but you know, that's the point. Even if you don't think you need one, you do, because it makes the process easier. It's less to worry about, someone else to manage all your details. And then, you know, it's the end result is clearly, you know, knocking it out of the park. So Ashley cleaned up in the last ADAs, which is Architectural and Design Awards. We actually, as a team, did really well. The whole company did. It was a really fun and exciting night. We have so many awards now, we need another shelf, which is a good problem to have. But that's not why we do it. It's just kind of a little side fun hustle for what we do.